Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Gemini, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Gemini, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have lilies, house and dog. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are creating a strong foundation for your circumstances in your work, guys. You have a clear path in your mind where you want to go, the goals you want to reach, the aspirations you have for your dream career, and what you need to do today. So you have your honest intentions and motives, and you are someone dedicated to whatever you do. So you are being really responsible, putting in a lot of efforts, working really hard towards those dreams and goals you have for yourself, guys. And maybe even in this relationship with this person you love, you are, having that beautiful connection, guys, with this person. You have a deep bond with them. You share a great compatibility, intimacy with this person, and you are someone in a good position in life, maybe status or in your society. You are someone important, holding a good job in a good place, maybe. And maybe this person also is someone equal to you in their career or in the way they are, maybe looks, appearance, everything. It goes, you both are the perfect match for each other, guys. And you both love each other. There is mutual love, respect, and caring for each other. And this person finds you a very loving and caring person, and you share a great, passionate, intimate relationship, and you love to be in this connection. And this relationship is really inspiring you, guys. So you feel really cheerful and confident when you are, with this person. And it is this cheerfulness is what is radiating even in your work situation. You are really confident, feeling really confident and happy to be with them, happy to be in this connection. And maybe this person is the reason for that. They are a very loyal, trustworthy person, and they love to be with you, love your company. And maybe for some of you, Gemini, if you were having some doubts on this person, you need not doubt them, guys. They are a really friendly and they are a very devoted person, and they are devoted to you, devoted to this love. And these cards just show that you have a very positive, meaningful relationship. So a very positive reading for you all today, guys, Gemini. So things are going in a very good way in your career. You are doing great, guys. You are in a good job, happy for the way things are. You are enjoying success and prosperity in your situation. And even in your personal life, you have the person you love. And that is what I see with these cards, guys. And that is the reading for you all today. Gemini, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, let's see what is the card. We have the Wild Swans, dedication. So in your circumstances, guys, for your love or the concern you have on someone, you are sacrificing a lot or you are doing everything possible in your capacity, trying your best, doing your best to help this person, help them come out of some difficulty. But you are someone who has a strong willpower and determination. You are doing it by yourself in silence. You are facing all the obstacles or difficulties today all by yourself for the love you have for this person. But they may not understand that. They are not aware of it even for some of you. And this may even look like a madness on your part, maybe the people around you. They may feel that you have a mad dedication, something, a very unexpected level of that single-mindedness towards this task or towards this mission, that you are doing everything, sacrificing so much. Maybe you are in this situation, guys, and maybe people feel really hostility in their hearts towards you. But whatever you face today, guys, whatever difficulties it may be, there may be a lot of pain you are having, there may be too much you are doing on your part, but whatever it is, you are going to heal and there is a great breakthrough coming in your circumstances. So circumstances are not going to go in the same way forever. There are great changes, beautiful, positive changes coming in your life very soon, guys. And people will appreciate your single-minded dedication and your helpful, kind nature, and people will know the truth and they will truly appreciate you for whatever you have done for this person you love, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is mending. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation, in your circumstances today, this may be the time for understanding and letting go of that unwanted burden in our life. So when we feel really hurt or sad or angered by some situation or by someone, we keep ourselves chained to that person or that situation, guys, instead of healing ourselves. So if we want to heal ourselves and move forward in our life, the way to do that is through mending our situation. And forgiveness is the best way to do that. So separate or together with your person you love. Maybe even if you are in separation, you both are experiencing the effects of hurt that is impacting everything you do. So even you may not be aware of it, but it affects whatever you do, and there is some kind of a negative energy you are having in your heart today. So that needs to be cleared. So how to do that? So closing your heart may not be the answer today, guys. So if you want to heal this wound, what you need to do? So you need to forgive this person who has hurt you and forget and move on. But if you feel that you are the one who has hurt them, you must truthfully, in your heart of hearts, apologize to them. Maybe if you can do it directly, then it is well and good. Maybe if you cannot, in your heart of hearts, you can honestly make redress, honestly say the words that you are sorry for them, sorry for what has happened, and that will bring a change in your heart, guys, a positive change, and only goodness will come out of forgiveness. And that is what this card is about. And that is the way you are going to set yourself from the chains that are holding you back today, holding you in the sadness and pain. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.